Hello everyone, my name is Kavita Kakkar and I have my channel with the name of Spice Up Your Life, in which I keep giving Japanese lessons, information about India in Japanese language, as well as some videos with music uh, addition. So, actually, today I just wanted to share my opinion about the recent declaration by Delhi University. Why I am sharing this is because my son has also applied for CUET, and he is also going through the same problems as currently that are faced by many lakhs of the US parents. So actually we were lucky to get seat in the first round, but unfortunately the college is not of our choice, so we have been desperately waiting after giving the fees for another upgrade round of third round, because in second round there was no upgrade for so many children, so many students. So there is a lot of disappointment, and students are going through this turmoil. Even after passing 12th with good marks, they have to give CUET with less gap for study. Still, they could perform very well. So I want to congratulate all the students, and I want to just say that please don't lose heart, and please just keep trying hard, doing your best, because that is the way you have to do from now onward, because this is your career building point and you have to cross many milestones. So today my purpose is basically to bring to light that the mid entry which the US suddenly opened without even doing the third round and giving seats, giving at least 2-3 options to students who have given fees and have done quite well in the CUET exam. So mid entry is open for students even who have not at all applied for DU. So this I think is not fair at all, when we have thousands of students who dedicated their everything, every hour for studying for CUET, and then applying particularly for DU. So I think this is not fair, and we should oppose this as much as possible, and we should try that we request Delhi University Chancellor to give seats preference first to students who have already taken the step towards admission fees they have given. So preference should be given to them. So that's all for today, and I hope we can together put our point forward, and I hope Delhi University will take this point into consideration and give upgrade to students who have already got some seat, but the college is not of their choice or far from their home. So there has to be some cutoff on which basis there should be 2-3 preferences at least. That should be the way it should go about. Okay, so students, I wish you all the best, and please don't lose heart. This is not the end of anything, as we have completed one milestone of clearing the 12th. I'm sure you will do very well in future.